everyone. In our life, we can't avoid to say sorry, especially if we are late, we missed something, or we made a mistake. However, continuously saying sorry all the time can lose its value. So instead of saying sorry all the time, you can say thank you. That's what we're going to practice right here in this video. Let's begin. Instead of saying, I'm sorry I'm late, you can say, thank you for waiting. Thank you for waiting. Instead of saying, sorry for talking too much, you can say, thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. Instead of saying, I made a mistake, sorry I made a mistake, you can say, thank you for understanding. Thank you for understanding. Instead of saying, sorry to bother you, you can say, thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Instead of saying, sorry, I'm so slow, don't, please, say this instead. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. Instead of saying, sorry for being quiet, sorry for being quiet, you can say, thank you for giving me space. Thank you for giving me space. Instead of saying sorry for the confusion, you can say, thank you for helping me clarify. Thank you for helping me clarify. Instead of saying sorry for missing that, you can say, thank you for catching that. Thank you for catching that. And that's all in a nutshell. Thank you for learning with me. Download the Elsa Speak app now. Keep learning. Have a nice day. Take care.